I'm going to be installing some spark plugs in this 99 Nissan Maxima with the 3-liter. I've got the recommended spark plug. It's the PFR5G-11 NGK spark plug. And you can see I've got red caps in the back. I've already removed the spark plugs there. So I'll start with those and install the new plugs. I put a little coating of anti-seize on the threads of the spark plug. And these are supposedly non-gappable plugs. And it's a good idea to actually look at the plug and confirm it's the correct plug. Sometimes the wrong plug will get put in the box. These are kind of expensive too. You could save about $60 by switching out these plugs with some other kind of an NGK plug. So I'll put them all in by hand and then go back and tighten them down. Magnetic socket makes it pretty nice. You don't have to use like a rubber friction or anything like that. It's real positive catch and release there. And I just put a very small amount of anti-seize on the threads. And so now I'm going to work on the front part of the engine. Now these spark plugs are still in there, so I'm going to be removing them and labeling the plug as I take it out. And so I also number the plugs in case I need to figure out. So let me show you, that's plug number 2, cylinder 2. And the gap on the plug I removed is definitely a lot wider than the one I'm installing. It looks like it's burned down. A little bit there. This one's plug number 4. And the plugs they have in there are the same exact brand and model that I'm installing. So all 6 of the plugs came out and went in nicely so far. Sometimes it's a little iffy. Some people can over tighten the spark plugs and strip them. And you never really know what you're going to get when you start looking in one of these. This one's the number 6. I'm just tightening them down until I feel them bottom out on the washer. we go, got the spark plugs installed.